Leadership is a process by which individuals are influenced so that they'll be prepared to participate in the achievement of an organization's goal. Some of the key styles, tools, theories and techniques used in leadership and management are autocratic, democratic, laissez-faire styles, Maslow's hierarchy and Herzberg's two-factor theory, annual report staff appraisal and progress reviews, management information system, MS Excel, work scheduling system. This unit aims to develop the knowledge and skills required to understand the principles of effective decision-making, understand leadership styles and models, understand the role, functions and processes of management, understand performance measurement.